Yes, crew. Right, I'm back. Day one, I'm in Marrakesh again. Well, it's actually day two. I got here yesterday, but I didn't really do much. I just got my bearings and had a little chill out day. So, what are you going to do about it? Nothing. But anyway, I'm about to go up to Ouzoud. Is it Ouzoud Waterfalls? Ouzoud Waterfalls. Apparently it's the biggest waterfall in Europe. There's going to be monkeys up here floating about and everything. Be able to feed the monkeys and stuff. Should be sick, crew. Go on a little boat ride and that. So yeah, let's get up there. I've missed yous all. Let's do it. Hit the subscribe button. Don't be tight for me, crew. As well, crew, I don't know why, I've had loads of comments. My mullet's gone. Yeah, the mullet's gone. But don't worry, it's going to be coming back. I only cut it because it was a little bit out of control and it was just getting a bit madness. And I don't know, hot weather and that, but it's coming back, don't worry, I'm not like fully got rid of the mullet. The mullet's coming back, crew. So just chill out, you know what I mean? So crew, I've got it wrong, it's not the biggest waterfall in Europe, it's the biggest waterfall in Africa. So yeah, just on the way down there now. Tell you what, it's getting warm as well now, crew. All your little stalls and that. Know what I mean? Let's get down here anyway, I don't want to bore you with these stalls and the walk up. Look at this crew, found the first monkeys. Can you see them or not? Don't know if you can see them. There's one there, there's one up there in the trees. Yes, that's sick. Can you see them, crew, or not? Oh, we'll go and find some more for yous. Come on, let's go. There's one in the tree there. Look at that. Hello, buddy. Sick. Having a little itch of his ear. Got one there, crew. Jeez. Yeah, come on, let's walk on, let's have a look. Look at this little one up here, crew. I don't know if you're gonna. Oh, it was just drinking water, that was cool. Oh, you can't really see it. There's a little one up there that was climbing up the rocks getting a drink of water. That was so cool. Missed it then, there's two little ones there and it was climbing up on that water like getting a drink of the drips, it was class. Sick. Waterfall here, crew, for one of them. What did he say, it's the biggest one in Africa? Oh, is that the biggest one or is it a different one? One of them's the biggest in Africa anyway. But we're going down there anyway, crew, so stay tuned. Big boy, that one, innit? I don't know, I might do. How's he got it to just sit on him like that though?
Give him a tomato.
Where's he got a tomato from?
The guy there.
Oh. Wow, look at this view, crew. Monkeys and that. Look at this. Wow. That little bad boy chilling down there. Yes. Look at the waterfall, crew. This is mental. This is proper good, crew. I recommend coming up here like, oh, look at a little baby one. Look at him. He's a big boy. Oh, he just nicked his peanuts. Little bugger. Look at him off with that big bag. You thief. Wow, look at that. Look at that, crew. Mint, we're going down there now anyway. Amazing. Look at this one picking the nits out of it for it, crew. You ready for this, crew? Look at this. Oh, look at the rainbow down there. Yes, sick, crew. Look at the rainbow. Can you see that rainbow? Yes. This is sick, crew. Oh, that must be the boat round there. Boat ride. I don't know if I'm going to go on that though, because I've got all my stuff on me. I don't want to get soaked. Mint, crew, innit? I'll tell you what, crew, it'd be nice to be in that water now. Look at a rainbow. Beautiful, that. Beautiful, crew. I'll tell you what is tight though, crew. They use these donkeys like to take people up and down like the steps and that. I think it's tight meat. One sec. Yeah. I don't think that's right. I think that's tight as out meat. They do not look happy at all. But what can you do, crew? Not much. Right, crew, I'm getting to these to this little boat ride now. Just had a tangine. Just had a tagine. It's lovely. These little tagines here cooking up. Absolute fire, them, crew, I promise you. Oh, it's warm. Look at these boats, crew. They're made out of like barrels. Oh. Oh, mate, look at this though, crew. Little boat rides. Falls here. Look at that. Oh, I should have brought some swimming shorts, mate, and jumped in. But look, they take you right under there, but I don't think... This is why I need to buy a GoPro. Because I don't think I'm going to be able to take you under there, because this isn't waterproof. So that's a bit of a shame. But I'll get up as close as I can for you. Please do not stop in the passageway while crossing. Yeah. Don't be stopping people. Oh. Mint though, innit, crew? Definitely recommend coming up here, like. Loved it down here. Let's get on a boat anyway, see if we can get on one, innit? So do us a favour in the meantime, hit that subscribe button, don't be tight, crew. Look at this, crew. Get yourself jumped in, go on. Go on, buddy, send it. Oh, watch the boat, don't be jumping on the boat. You getting in, lad? Oh, there's too many boats in the way.
Penguin. Do a penguin. Penguin. Can you do a penguin? Yes. Yes.
Yeah, like that. Go on then.
Very good, very good. Very good.
Go on then. Hey, that was good. That actually was good. Go lad, smashed it. Smashed it. Smashed it, didn't he?
Yes.
These boys are sick. Eh? Just getting myself a little pineapple juice, crew. These are as fresh as they come, these. Show us how we do it, boss. Fresh. Fresh as they come, innit? Oh no, I'm getting pineapple, aren't I? Look at that freshly squeezed orange. Fresh as it comes, that. Pineapple I'm getting, crew. Just pineapple juice. That's for me to try.
Yeah, you can try. Yes.
Fresh. Yeah, it's nice, brother. I fucking dropped it though.
We should put one without sugar.
Without sugar. No sugar, please. Beautiful.
This is your pineapple juice.
Perfect, that, brother. That's how it's done, fresh.
Yeah, it's very
Fresh.
Hello, madam.
Perfect. I'll get you some money now. Oh, boat ride there, crew. Me juice. I wish I brought some shorts, me. I would have got in that water, me. Can't go in jogger shorts, so it'll take hours to dry. Hours. Oh, I don't know how waterproof this is going to be, crew. Getting wet already. Oh, getting close to it now, crew. I'm getting wet now. I'm getting wet now. Jeez. Wow. Yeah, he's going to take us under it, isn't he? Wow, that is amazing though, isn't it? That is sick. Probably don't do it justice, this camera crew, but that is amazing. Wow, I'm just getting soaked. Going in a little cave. Oh.
What's your ex?
Yeah, what's your bed? Beautiful, that buddy. So crew. Right, crew, apparently these caves up here, people are living in them. Don't know if you can see.
We explain you about the nomad that you are again soon, right? And you can see the
But there's like caves up there and people are living in them. That's mental. You can't really see them. But yeah, there's like little caves. And people just live up there. That's mad. That's crazy, crew. Right, I'm off that boat, crew. That was sick. I actually really like that. Let me wipe this stuff off my lens. Yeah, I actually really like that. One last view of the spot though before we go. I'm gonna go now. Smashed it. Definitely recommend this place, crew, if you haven't been. Monkeys flying about and that. Waterfalls. Absolute sick experience. I love that. On to the next one. Let's go. Hit subscribe. Right, crew. First things first. Scooter. Oh, do you know what? I actually might do soon. Let me go back to my apartment and get my stuff and I'll come back out and come and see you soon. Okay, take me for a spin. Yes, see you soon. Right, crew. What I'm going to go and do is feed the kitties, because that's first and foremost, isn't it? I'll see you soon. 100 dirham? I paid 50 last time. Right, we'll see what we can do soon. I'm going to go get freshened up and sort myself out. I'll shout you soon. Right, crew, I'm going to go feed these kitties. So yeah, first thing on the agenda. Here's one already, crew. Come on. Come on then. Come on. Do you want some? Come down here. Come on. Usually loads of them down here. Kitties! There's not even about, crew. Let's go give this one some. Oh, there's one there. Oh, they are about. Right, one sec, let me get. Yeah, see they are. Hello! Hello! Right, let's get them open then. Right, give me a second. Right, yeah. A bit for you. Bit for you. Bit for you. Yeah. Bit for you. Bit for you. There we go, crew. Do you want a little bit as well? Yeah. And that's how we do it, crew. Good deed done for the day, so make sure you do yours and hit that subscribe button. Don't be tight to me, crew. Come on, we'll try to do something here. Do you know what's mad, crew, yeah? See, like the 5G things and that. Look at this, right? You'd think that's just a normal tree, wouldn't you? It's not a tree, it's fake. So is that one. Just a fake tree with the 5G things up there. Like, you'd just think that was a tree, wouldn't you? All these are real trees, like, but that's fake. And it's got the 5G things hidden up at the top. That's mad, that, innit? Just thought I'd share that one with your crew. Anyway, I'm going to go up here because this guy said he's going to get me on the back of his bike, so hopefully he's going to take me to the Medina. Let's go see, crew. Hit that subscribe button for me as well, don't be tight. That's all I'm asking you to do, crew. It's free, don't cost you anything. You know what I mean? YouTube don't push stuff, so I need you all to like it, subscribe, share. Just help us out a bit, crew. Don't cost nothing. Be nice. It's nice to be nice. You know what I mean?
Okay.
I literally just want you to drop me off at the Medina, that's it.
Medina.
Yeah, you leave me and then how much? How much do you want? How much? Money? How much dirham? Eh? €2? Yeah. So 20 dirham? Yeah. 20 dirham? Yeah. Right, that's fine. Let's go, crew. On the back of the bike, yeah?
Okay.
Yep. Taking me to the Medina, crew. That's what we're doing. Let's go, brother. Yalla, yalla. Yalla, yalla. onto the road, off the road onto the zebra crossing. Right, crew, let me get here. Cut to me out of Medina. Yo, crew, check this. She's just on the phone.
My brother.
Frankie,
Nice to meet you, Frankie.
what's your name?
My name is Simo.
Simon?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Simon.
Yeah.
Look at the bus, crew.
Well,
Yeah, man.
welcome to Marrakesh.
Welcome to Marrakesh. Crazy, man. This is crazy, man. Yeah, anywhere over here will do, brother. Yeah, this is perfect, brother. Oh, shukran.
Welcome, brother.
Crazy, man, crazy. What did we say? 20 dirhams, is that okay? Yeah?
Thank you.
Respect, brother, thank you. Where are you going now? Where are you going now?
Yeah.
Where are you going now?
In drive for
Oh yeah, can I have your phone number?
Yeah.
Because I'm just going to get some hashish and then I'll go back there. So I'll only be like half an hour, 30 minutes and I need to go back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Come on.
Why have you, is it good though? Top quality?
Yeah.
Where at? Right, he reckons he can get me some now. Come on now, let's have a look.
I call my brother.
Your brother? Let's go see him then.
For air. No.
Yeah. Right, crew, I don't know where he's took me here, mate. He's took me way out of, like, it's like he's took me out of Marrakesh into some mad town. I'm a bit thingy here. God knows what's going to happen here. I was like, how long? He's like, don't worry. I'm like, mate, I'm not worrying, but geez, where are we going? Been driving for about half an hour. But yeah, we're just in some mad location now, so everything will be sweet, crew. You know how we roll. You know how we do, crew. Right, crew, just to give you a little perspective of where we're at, check it out, where he's took me. Looks like I'm in a war zone, mate. It'll be sweet though, crew. All sorted, crew. He's got me the best hashish at the best price, best deal since I've been here, mate. So yeah, it was worth it. Yalla! Let's go. Back to Medina's. Absolutely smoking it, crew. I've got this little kiddie here, crew. Trying to get me a taxi, man, but he's going to want something off me, innit? Right, brother, how much for Imperial Plaza?
I'm not free.
You're not free?
Yeah.
It's never this hard to get a taxi round here. Go on, bro. I don't have nothing for you, so lads. He's going, see? How's there no taxis about? Just my luck, this. Honestly. As soon as I need to go, I can't get a taxi. Taxi? Taxi? Fucking hell, what's going on, like? Why can't I get a taxi?
Where do you want to go?
Imperial Plaza.
You wait me. What's that?
It's camera.
Come on, you wait me here. I come in for you.
How long? I need to be quick.
Two
Right.
minutes.
How much? Hurry up. Hurry up. Don't worry. That. Oh, baby. That's what they always say. Don't worry. Yeah, don't worry, mate. It's free then, eh? Oh yeah, do you like me headscarf as well, crew? I've been asked if I'm from Palestine 5 times. This guy needs to hurry up, mate. I've got to go. Got a show at 9 o'clock tonight, and it's 8 o'clock, and I ain't had a shower or a hashish one. Madness round here, crew. Anytime you want a taxi, you can't get one. As soon as you don't want one, mate, they don't leave you alone. Oh, crew. Hopefully yours up. And it did look better than this at the start, crew, but because I was on the back of that guy's bike, it's just gone all over and I just had to stick it on and it looks crap. Come on, man. Right, he's coming back now, crew. Hopefully he's going to take me. I don't want too much money. Yalla, 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 let's go. Come on, man. Oh. Right, brother?
Come on.
I'm good. How much to Imperial Plaza?
I have the meter here.
You have a meter?
Yeah.
First time I've seen a meter.
Yeah.
How much do you think?
As you like.
As you like,
Yeah.
so free.
Where are you from?
UK.
Free? You don't have money?
No, of course I have money.
Oh, you
course
don't
I
have
do.
money, I take you free.
Oh, if you don't have
Bloody
money, you'll
free.
take me for free.
Huh? لا عشان طريق.
Well, he said if I don't have money, crew will take me for
Yeah.
free, so that's alright, isn't it?
I take you free, so don't have money, huh? Don't have money?
No, I don't have money.
I take you free.
That's sound. Perfect. What's your name, brother?
Mus.
Mus?
Mustafa.
Mustafa.
Yeah.
Anytime you need a taxi in Marrakesh, come find Mustafa, crew. He'll look after you. It's crazy round here, isn't it?
No, very busy.
Crazy, man. I love it though. Love it. Oh.
The holiday's cold.
Eh?
This week.
This week it's what?
Yeah,
Oh, school holidays.
yeah.
Right, so that's why it's so busy, is it?
Yeah.
School holidays this week, crew. Oh, yeah, this is my second time. The first time I come, it was busy, but it wasn't as busy as this.
Yeah.
But like you say, school holidays, that's why. Oh, right, crew. Let me get back to the hotel. I'm gonna roll a hashish one and then get to this show that I've got to get to. Buddha Bar. I'm going to the Buddha Bar tonight.
Yeah.
Have you heard of Buddha Bar? Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Cool. Right, see you soon, crew. This is how we get new subscribers, crew. Got him watching it in the taxi. Innit, brother?
Good.
Yeah, man.
Good, man. You welcome.
Class.
Welcome.
Right, crew, I don't know if you can see me, but my battery died then. See him in, I've just had to go and charge it. See him in that taxi, he was absolutely sound, you know. He's the only taxi that I've ever been in that's put a meter on. Listen to this, I've been getting skanked every time I've been here, so has everybody else. These taxis that I'm jumping in, yeah, they're charging people like 100 dirham, 70 dirham or something to go to like the Medina and stuff, which is like 7 quid, whatever, do you know what I mean, 6 quid. Not putting the meter on or anything, just saying a price. I got in this guy's cab before, he put the meter on, and guess how much it cost me, crew? It usually cost me like, I'll say 70 dirham, because it's between like 50 and 100. Can vary what fucking time of the day it is. Yeah, he put the meter on, and it cost me 10 dirham. 10 dirham, crew. That's like 80p for the taxi. And they've been charging me like 100 dirham. I mean, it's not just me, like, they're not just skanking me, they're doing it to everyone. They just all turn the meters off, do you know, because they can do it to tourists. So they just turn the meters off and then charge what they want to charge. So they're making like, let's just say I paid 70, yeah, for a no, I've been paying 70, and he charged me 10. They're making like 7 times more than what they should be making, do you know what I mean? It's crazy, crew. But yeah, I just thought I'd let you know that. Do you know what I mean, crew? Hit the subscribe button for me, stop being so tight. Right, crew, I'm gonna go through here, right, and watch how many times I get stopped. Yeah, man. Bouncing. No, I'm not hungry, you know, brother. Thank you, though.
Okay.
Just eating.
Don't panic. It's organic.
I'm not panicking. I'm just not hungry, lad.
Maybe tomorrow.
Maybe tomorrow.
See you later, alligator.
See you later, alligator. Bad boy raver. Does look nice, though, crew. Some of it, to be fair. I'm not gonna lie. Some of it does look all right. Look at this. So you've got a full sheep's head here, crew. Look at that. Jeez. How you get you one of them down, you lad? Yeah, it's fucking crazy, man. Crazy.
What are you saying, bro?
Nothing, mate. Not much. Just having a wander.
It's better than Whitechapel Market, man.
Better than what? Whitechapel Market? Never been there. Yeah. Stop chatting shit, man. What's that?
Same shit in everywhere.
He's hungry, I'm not. Yeah, I'm positive.
You know how much food could I want?
Quite a lot. This is mad.
Okay, thank you so much. Come on, this is your guy. Come on.
Nah, I'm alright, bro. Honestly, I'm sweet, lad. Nice one, though. Crazy crew, honestly. Absolutely bouncing, and it's like this till like 3 o'clock in the morning. Yep.
Just wait.
I've just eaten, thank you though.
Oh, this skinny, this skinny
Hello, hello.
Hey, have a look. This is twins. And meet the three.
You are a little bit cheeky, aren't you? Little bit cheeky, little bit cheeky.
Where do you from?
What? Proper Morocco one? Yeah,
I am
man.
from Wigan.
Is this the Morocco way, yeah?
Wigan Pier to Marcus, still love it, Jabby, the top spot.
Wigan Pier. That's where he's from. Yes, brother.
Have a look, please.
Honestly, I can see it from here. It looks mint. But I've just eaten, so I might come back tomorrow or something like that. So I've literally just eaten.
Excuse me.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. This way.
What? That's this way.
One second. I talked with you yesterday.
Do you know what? I've just eaten, but my mate is starving. Honestly, bro.
Oh my god.
Oh, mate. Got a violin out, yeah. Shit. Oh, mate. This is absolute madness, mate. It's sick. Oh, they're getting stuck. We're going to have to go rescue them. Go on, go on. Yeah, it's crazy, crew. Look at this crew, right? Bearing in mind, mate, it's midnight. Crazy, innit? Madness, innit, crew? Absolutely crazy. These are just unloading now. Like, they're literally just unloading all the shit, and it's 12 o'clock. It's sick. And look at him getting it all out now. Putting it all out. They must be here till about 4 o'clock in the morning, 5 o'clock in the morning. It's crazy, mate, crazy. Look at that crew. Wow. Whoop, 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 whoop. We've got a bike behind me. Look at these down here, crew, like fighting over camises and that. Come on, a little rooftop bar anyway, got some scram.